Hi, once again, I'm back, Kaushik Chatterjee. In this video, we are going to discuss related to the last video as I told you. So, the first concept, what we are going to discuss, that is all about the E. As we discussed last video, E means earning. So, in this video, we are going to understand what is earning and what is the way even I can earn. I mean to say, it can be one way, it can be two ways, it can be three ways, or it can be even multiple ways. So that door should be open for me. That door should be open for each and everyone. And that concept we are going to discuss in this video. So maybe somebody from the financial background, maybe somebody from the statistical background, somebody from different background. But yes, it is very important for all of us. The earning source should be multiplied, should be multiple ways, should be even more than one ways, isn't it? Then definitely everybody will be happy. Everybody will be towards become a wealthy, and definitely the dream always even comes to that is all you to become a richer or richest person. So let's understand what is earning first. So I hope this is a very simple understanding. Each and everybody whatever way they are earning, maybe on a regular way, maybe on a like irregular way. So I mean to say somebody, let's say working for any of the XYZ company and getting paid on a particular time on a particular work. So definitely they might be even a salaried person also, or maybe somebody even related to any kind of uh, business work, any kind of, let's say, other even professions. So whatever it is, not even on a regular manner, but maybe even if I talk on the business, so maybe I need to wait for my billing cycle. Even let's say if I'm working as a freelancer, so I need to also wait for my billing. I need to wait for XYZ event cycle, whatever exactly way even I'm getting my earn also. So simple. If I do my work, if I do my business, based on that one, whatever I'm getting, that will be typically known as my earning. So that is very simple. Now the question over here is, if I, let's say, work for one company, if I, let's say, get my one salary, or let's say if I work for my one shop, if I work for my one project, if I work for my, let's say, one business, this is also my one way earning. Can I do, or can I be even a multiple earner, or even a multiple ways to get earned? This is the question, and that only we are going to discuss in details in this video. So first we need to understand, after earning, we need to understand now what is the way even earning on a multiple ways, and what is the way to get even a multiplier income. So there are two different things. It looks very similar. So when I'm talking multiple ways, yes, definitely there will be multiple ways. So I'm just giving an example. Let's say somebody is working, let's say, on the related subject. Let's say they might be taking some coaching, let's say on the weekend. Maybe they are giving some kind of other, let's say, kind of suggestion, or maybe advising, or maybe on the same thing they are also helping someone on the same project. Even they might work even as a consultant. That will be the way they can earn even on a multiple ways. So I'm, let's say somebody is working for a company, X company, even related to that, or let's say related to the same knowledge, same even domain. They might be even by coaching they are earning, maybe related to helping someone they might be earning, helping someone in that same project, or let's say on a consulting mode they might be earning. So I mean to say, it is the way I'm earning even multiple ways. One way, let's say salary. One way, let's say on the project. Let's say on the based on the project when I'm getting on. So that is also my earn. Second, let's say I'm also doing some kind of coaching. So that also my earn. So what I'm trying to say, I am, let's say, a domain expert, particular domain expert. On that similar way, I'm earning for my 9 to 5 job. Let's say I'm earning for my advising job. Also I'm earning from my, let's say, coaching, or let's say my kind of training or teaching job. So this is, I think, very overall it is all clear to all of us. So this is all the multiple ways even I'm earning. Now what is multiplier of my earning? So multiplier, yes, definitely, as you understood very well, and this is a simple mathematics. You don't need to be a good mathematician to understand this. Multiplier is what means, today my earning, let's say, is 10,000. Today my earning, let's say, is 50,000. Today my earning, let's say, is 1 lakh. Whatever currency you are earning, whatever country you are belong to, how I can get the 10,000 or maybe 50,000 or maybe the 1 lakh could be even my multiplier of 2, multiplier of 3, multiplier of 5, whatever your capacity. So if I take a simple example, let's say on 10,000, on 50,000, or let's say on 1 lakh, if I multiply it by 2, means what? The 10,000 should be even my 20,000, the 50,000 should be my 1 lakh, and my 1 lakh, it should be my 2 lakhs. Is it so easy to earn? The answer is no, right? So I need to find out now how I can earn this money. So there is no formula. There is no even like uh, uh, a way like you will find, or let's say if you'll follow and you will get this. No, absolutely no. This is a pure uh, understanding with your need and even your demand. So let's say today if I am able to uh, practically, if I able to live my life, let's say with my one earning, whatever it could be, 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, 1 lakh, whatever it could be, if I'm okay with all, if I'm set with all, even with my earning, let's say my basic needs, I mean to say like my food, my clothes, my shelter, even my other essential need, my other utility needs, I'm done with this, I'm satisfied. So definitely people will not go for this multiplier earning. But today, based on the inflation, again if I talk, or let's say if a family, let's say a joint family, or let's say I'm the only one earning member, or let's say only dependent, so all these parameters, you need to understand how to multiply even your income source. So as I told you, the multiple ways also you can earn, and you have to also find a way how you can multiply your income, maybe 2 times, maybe 3 times, putting whatever you are earning, multiply with this 3, 4, 5, whatever way you want to earn. You want to earn. That is the main focus you have to do. So now you have to think. This is your call. This is all your need. You have to make a T. You have to make it just a T, and you have to keep on the, let's say, left side. You need to understand what is my earning, and based on that one, you have to keep it on the right side. What is my need? Am I able to fill my earning with my need? Is it matching? If it is not matching, then how much actually is the shortage? What exactly the multiplier way when I need to earn this? And that you have to relate with your multiple ways of income, as we have already even discussed, right? So thanks for watching, and any help, any kind of more suggestion, any kind of uh, discussion, any kind of help if you want, definitely I'm always open. I'm always there to help you out. If it is going to help you out, you and your even earning, even your even multiple earning, your even multiplier earning, I'll be the happiest one. Thanks for watching.